In this video, we're going to learn about rain barrels and cisterns. Both facilities collect and store rainwater from roof downspouts for non-potable reuse, such as watering gardens, lawns, and indoor plants. This is a typical rain barrel found on residential homes. They come in a variety of sizes ranging from 40 to 75 gallons. Cisterns, such as this, are much larger than rain barrels and can collect water from several downspouts from one roof. They have capacities ranging from 100 to several thousand gallons. Both systems have spigots at the bottom that can connect to garden hoses for easy access. Designs also include a screen or closed top to keep out debris and mosquitoes, and overflow ports that allow excess water to drain when the system is full. There are many benefits to having these systems on your property. You protect your local streams from flooding and erosion, as well as reduce pollution runoff. You can also save money by lowering your water bill when you use collected water for irrigation. Simple steps can be taken to maintain these systems. Use and clean out gutter guards regularly. Use water routinely to make sure there is room for the next storm. Clean systems using non-toxic substances such as vinegar to remove residue and algae. Routinely check for leaks and clogs. And finally, drain and disconnect your system before the winter season to avoid damage by freezing temperatures. For more information and resources, visit Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection's website. There you can find additional maintenance information and incentive programs for all types of stormwater facilities.